Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 15th to the 27th, June 15th to the 19th. The miles and ensembles remain consistent, depicting the pattern for this period. We still expect a trough or an upper low here near the Aleutians, and a ridge will build into western Canada above normal heights in the west. And we have an upper low here near Hudson Bay with a trough across the east central states. And we also have above normal heights here. Miles of good agreement. Okay, during this period, thinking hasn't changed much since yesterday. We're still expecting heavy rain from the south central plains to Ohio Valley in the Appalachians. And this will be aided by a moist flow from the Gulf interacting with a frontal boundary and multiple waves embedded in the flow aloft. And some of this moisture may move into mid-Atlantic and the Northeast. So we're going to go here. We'll start tonight at 8 p.m. Doesn't show much. Tomorrow 2 a.m. Tomorrow 8 a.m. You can see we have rainstorms here. Go to the GFS, the European, depicting more of a rain. It also looks like a low might want to develop here along the coast. This would be the primary low. And then we'll jump ahead to 8 p.m. See the primary low, I guess that low doesn't really get going. And then we look at the European, similar. And then we'll go to Friday. We're going to go a little ahead now to the 19th. You can see we're talking here about the south central states and the Appalachians, heavy rain and storms here. This is the European. European is more aggressive now with the rain here across the south central states, lighter amounts here. There's a few pockets of heavy rain and storms. But again, this is an area that doesn't need any more rain because it's been pretty saturated. And then we go forward to Monday with this pattern now. In the west, multiple waves aloft will promote showers and thunderstorms with the greatest totals in the northern and central Rockies. June 18th to the 22nd. If we look at the models, this is the GFS. We'll go through the models a little bit. The pattern starts out amplified with a ridge trough configuration, but then gradually becomes flatter with the retrogression of the eastern trough into the west central states. And this will occur as a ridge develops, stronger ridge develops out over the Atlantic. And this will push, bring the trough more into the western U.S., and I'll show you that. So the miles of good agreement on this. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting above normal temperatures for the western states, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees above normal. And also above normal temperatures here, lower anomalies, maybe about 2 to 4 degrees above normal. Below normal temperatures are forecast for this region here, and the probability of occurrence is 2 to 4 degrees below normal. For precipitation, again, the areas that have been getting heavy rain will continue to get it during this period. We're expecting heavy rainfall or above normal rainfall across this area here. And the probability of occurrence is 45 to 55%. The greatest totals will be here. And then we have below normal precipitation for the northwest and for the Gulf Coast states in the southeast. Probability of occurrence is 35%. As we go further into the period, or into this forecast period, this is for June 23rd to the 27th. And you can see that the flow continues to flatten. The European ensembles and the GFS. Now here's the GFS and the European. have a trough in the west, ridge in the east, but look, a southwest flow, almost flatter flow compared to what's been back here. With the other models having the trough, a flatter flow, but a trough more to the east across towards the plains. So I'm calling for this forecast period, calling for below normal temperatures for most of the west on a forecast anomalies of 12 degrees. You can see the anomalies are more. This is European ensembles with the temperature forecast. It could be more than that, but for now I'm saying 6 degrees below normal. And we have above normal temperatures for the eastern U.S. and on forecast anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal for precipitation. Again, areas getting the heavy rain will continue to get it. I'm forecasting below normal precipitation for the northwest. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast for much of this area here, from the plains to the Atlantic coast. And the probability of occurrence is a little lower this period at 45%. This is the long-range weather forecast discussion for June 15th to the 27th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.